Let me introduce you to this amazing, powerful software called Kustomizee. Kustomizee is the world's first AI print-on-demand e-com store builder and is the only AI app that codes, writes, and designs stunning e-com stores preloaded with AI-generated designs that sell funny t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, and other products. Now, I'm going to show you how super easy it is to create your own personalization store or print on demand store. So let's get started. I'm going to log into my account. Once you log in inside Kustomizee, you are greeted with the dashboard and you can see on the menu, you can see the store site. This is where you can create your print on demand e-com stores. You have the AI email creator to create your email sequence for your e-commerce products. You have the ads copy to create Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads. You have some video creator to create video ads as well for your store. So now I'm going to get started by clicking on the create store button. Once you click on the create store button, you need to give your website a name. So here I'm just going to name my site Meg. So then the domain name as well, and then you click on submit. And that's it. In just one click, your customized store is ready. If you click on this link now, it takes you to your customized store. Can you see that? This is your store preloaded with products that people can customize and start paying for. So now your customers can come to your store and design their products. They can customize their shirts, they can customize mugs, they can customize pullovers, they can customize phone cases, cap, pillowcases, bags, and so on and so forth. So now I'm going to show you how they can customize their products right on your platform and sell for any amount that you prefer and make money while doing that without you creating the product, without you sourcing for products or shipping products to any customers. All these are done for you automatically. So I'm going to click on this shirt now. So once the customer click on the shirt, it's going to bring you to the product designer page. So here the customer can select the color that they want. As you can see, customer can select any colors that they want here. They can change colors, they can change product here in case they want to select another product. Can you see that? So customers can select colors. So once the color has been selected, then customer can then design their product to their taste. They can use a already AI generated templates. You can see you can add this. Can you see that? Can if you don't, you can customize it. Can you see? You can always customize it. You can edit anything. So yeah, I'm just going to delete this. Can you see that? So also you have tons and tons of templates that you can use. You can come to clip art as well. You can see tons of clip art that you can use. Can you see that? So in case you want to use this, you can use it as well. But let's say you want to use something else. You can see there are tons of clip art as well that you can use to customize your website. You can then add templates, you can add text, whatever you want to add to it, you can add it. Say I want to add this here. Can you see? Can drag it to wherever you want to drag it to. You can edit it, you can change the text. Also, you can use the AI to generate unique designs for your customized store. So let's say you want to use AI instead. So here I'm just going to click here on the AI image. Can you see? And then give the image a name. So here I can say maybe generate cats, the grass. Can you see that? So that's what I want to generate. So I'm just going to put it there. Then click on generate. As you can see, the AI is going to generate the design in just a click. So you can download the design and use it on your clothes. And then I can add the image. Can you see? This is our AI generated image. So once the customer is done, just click on add to cart and then you're good to go. You see, then the customer can check out and purchase these clothes. The best part of this is that you will never even have to handle product shipping or sourcing of products. All these are done by our partners that is inside Kustomizee. So the next thing is to start getting traffic and getting sales. So with the power of customizing, we have AI email creators that you can use to create emails as well. So all you have to do is just to click on it, then enter the topic. Customize t-shirts, and then it's going to generate an email to promote a customized t-shirts. Can you see? the email has been created, and you can just copy the email and send it out. You also have the AI ads copy as well that you can use to create your Facebook ads, YouTube ads on any topic, right? Facebook ads for customized t-shirts. You can see that when I click on generate ad copy, you can see one click is going to generate ad copy for your Facebook ads or Instagram ads, YouTube ad, whatever. You can also create video here as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.